Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at the Can-Am Commander XTP 1000. We've just installed the RYCO Street Legal kit on it. Wanted to do a walk around, show you a little bit about what we've done with this kit. Part number 8103A-8002 bundle. We will post up a link down in the description where you can go and place your order online today or swing by and pick one up. So the RYCO kit, what do we love about it? These signature lights are phenomenal. The cool part is the turn signals are integrated into those signals. Let's check it out. How does it work? How does it function? Just like a car, down will be left. You do have those indicator lights up on the dash letting you know the turn signals are on. Oh yeah, look at that. Got the headlights on too, and you can see that the turn signals are very nice and bright. The functionality is super cool. Let's check it out on the back. Ties into the stock tail lights, utilizing all those bright LEDs on the back. Very nice. You do have the four-way hazard function with the RYCO kit as well. Simply pull out on the red lever. All four corners are going to illuminate. Very nice. And around the back side. You also have your license plate mount as well as a light to illuminate the plate at night. For those of you here in Utah, this kit does give you all of the required items needed to be street legal with the exception of 2 mirrors. You can accomplish that with a right view and a left view or a right view and a rear view, completely up to you. On this particular build, we've gone with the Can-Am setup. We love this mirror. It attaches to the machine very nice. Does have that break-in fold-away function. Back to the street legal kit. To release the four-way hazards, just go up or down with the lever. You can't push that red lever back in, and horn button is integrated into the end of the lever. We do have these kits in stock. Give us a call, shoot us a text, or check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com, 435-427-3338. Ray, this is yours, buddy. Have a good day, everybody. Oh yeah, be sure to check out the other videos. We're gonna do some walkarounds on the other accessories, including audio, some of that, some of that, some of that, and some of that. More info to come.